Hi! In front of me is Nokia 220 and today I would like to show you how you can block notifications. You need to begin by opening menu and going into Devices Settings. In them, select System, then tap on Notifications, and finally click on one of those options from which you want to disable them. In my case, Messages. So when I do that, as you can see, all notifications from my messages are now off. But you can always switch them back on by tapping on the same option again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!